We can stick it anywhere on the back to an empty spot. I will stick it later. Our fans have started spinning. Let's stop it. With one click, we will open and close our fans from now on. Hello everyone. It's been a while since I last made an electronics video, but this one came by popular demand on both TikTok and YouTube. During my live streams, many of you have noticed the fans inside my PC case. There are exactly 7 exhaust fans inside, and I can turn them on and off whenever I want. Previously, I built a sound-activated circuit, but that one had some issues and no longer works. Since my case is visible during live streams, I've been asked this question hundreds of times. Nejde, why aren't your fans spinning? Let me explain. I only turn on the fans while gaming, editing or rendering. Now I've built a new control circuit, and with a simple finger tap I can switch the fans on and off at will. This circuit allows you to control any kind of fan or motor, whether it's 220V, 12V or 5 watts, as long as it stays under 10 amps. You can connect it to this port here and use it however you want. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like and share the video. Let's now move on to the second part. We take the power line from the fan, either the positive or negative wire, and connect it to the control module. You can get 12V power from your PC's power supply or from an external 12V adapter. Is completely up to you. When we look at the Molex connector, the yellow wire is 12 volts, the red wire is 5 volts, and the 2 black wires in the middle are ground, GND. So we take 12V from the yellow wire and ground from one of the black wires. Then we cut the power line coming from the Molex, route it outside the case, and connect it to the switching side of our control board. Let's do another test before ending the video. I'll try it from 1 meter. It even works from 3 or 4 meters away, no problem. As you can see, with a single tap, we can turn the fans on or off instantly. This doesn't have to be just for fans. It works with ventilators, ceiling lamps, motors, and many other devices too. If you enjoyed this project and want to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Take care everyone. See you in the next project. Stay safe, stay creative, and keep building cool stuff. And hey, very careful with the wiring and the voltages. If something goes wrong and your PC won't turn on, don't come crying in the comments. Double check your connections and be responsible. See you next time.